Got a 21 plate Range Rover Sport in today for a Ghost Immobiliser. What a beauty. Check it out. Okay, I'll give you a quick demo. I've got the key. Let's unlock it. What a beautiful interior this is. We'll give you a quick test. Excuse the camera. I'm going to give it a try. The car will just cut itself off. Have a look at that interior. I'm going to put the code in. You get your confirmation. I'll give you a start and we're on our way. Have a look at that. Wow. Absolutely amazing. Ghost Immobiliser, just £449. Just contact us and we'll book you in.